Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 7 English Refresher Course Module Worksheet 16 Writing 2. So dear children, we have been solving many exercises, many worksheets. Hope you are following and understanding very well. So writing is very, very important. So what is in our mind we can really bring out only by writing. Understand? Spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. Alright? Fine children. And when we write now, it should have some meaningful sentences to describe, to narrate factual imaginary situations in speech and writing. Writing coherently with focus on appropriate beginning, middle and end. Alright? Okay. So we can write messages, invitations, short paragraphs, letters, etc. Okay. For example, we'll do this one. Once upon a time, in a desert, there was a rose who was so proud of her beautiful looks. Her only complaint was growing next to an ugly cactus. Rose இருக்குது ரொம்ப ஹாப்பி, ஆனால் அது ஒரே ஒரு கஷ்டம் மட்டும், ஃபீலிங்ஸ் ஒரு பிரச்சனை என்னென்னா, he is living near a cactus. முள்செடி பக்கத்தில் இருக்குது. Every day, the beautiful rose would insult and mock the cactus on his looks, and while the cactus remained quiet, all the other plants nearby tried to make the rose sense, but she was too swayed by her own looks. One scorching summer, the desert became dry and there was no water left for the plants. The rose quickly began to wilt. Her beautiful petals dried up, losing their lush color. So summer வந்துருச்சு. All the rose, delicate, tender, soft, smooth, அதெல்லாம் கிடுகிடுன்னு எல்லாம் உதிர்ந்து போயிருச்சு. Looking to the cactus, he saw a sparrow dip his beaks into the cactus to drink some water. Though ashamed, the rose asked the cactus if she could have some water. The kind cactus readily agreed, helping them both through the tough summer as friends. இப்போ ரோஸ் உயிருக்கே போராடுது. ஓகே, அந்த டைமில் த கேக்டஸ் வாஸ் ஃபீடிங் another one bird. ஓகே, அப்போ ஸோ எனக்கும் தெரியா கொஞ்சம் வாட்டர். அப்போ கேக்டஸ் didn't tell anything. ஓகே, சாப்பிட்டு கோ சொல்லி அதோட வாட்டர் கொடுக்குது. ஃபைன் சில்ட்ரன். ஸோ இதில் நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும், யூ ஷுட் ரைட் த டைட்டில், பிளேஸ், season, main theme, and good character, bad character, moral, everything you should write. Fine, children. Now here we'll see another one. Take a watermelon. Next, cut the watermelon into pieces. Then remove the seeds in it. After that, take a mixie jar. Put the watermelon pieces into jar. Grind it well. Juice is ready to serve. So this is like imperative sentence recipe. If you do, you can get a nice juice. Shall we do assessment part? Write a letter inviting a friend to spend his vacation with you. Complete the letter using the word bank. So here there is a letter writing, and here you have some word clues also. And here there are some words, okay? Like start, vacation, letter, invite, spend, vacation, Chennai, pleasure, different places, beach, zoo, Kannimara Public Library, Government Museum, enjoyable experience, convey, regards, parents. So using these words, we are going to write a letter. So you know the format. So you can write place, date, etc. So 9, Bharati Street, Chennai 6, 27/5/2021. So if you are writing on your own, you can write that particular date. Dear friend, how are you? We know that our vacation is going to start soon. This letter is to invite you to spend the vacation in our home at Chennai. We can enjoy all. We can have good pleasure. We can visit so many places like beach, zoo, Kannimara Public Library, Government Museum, etc. It will be really an enjoyable experience. Please convey my regards to your parents. Fine, children. So like this, if you write a letter, your friend will be inspired or instigated to come to your house to spend the vacation, and you can also enjoy the vacation well. Fine. I hope all of you understood. You can listen again. Do not copy just like that. Do not miss to watch other lesson explanation videos, book back exercise videos, assessment, bridge course and everything. Thank you.